among us. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome Madam Rashmita Boro, the First Lady of Bijia Township. We would like to welcome Sri Chandranshu Chaturvedi, District and Sessions Judge, Chiran. We would like to welcome Sri Jagat Jyoti Das, CGL. I also request Principal Sir to felicitate Madam Rashmita Boro with a full-on furniture and bouquet along with a beautiful decorative planter as a token of respect.
All houses, stand at ease. All houses, attention. The NCC and Bharat Scouting Guides, showcasing strength and unity, balance and trust in each other, being cadet by cadet. I request everyone to cheer them on in their effort with a huge round of applause. Guides is led by Dhaligaon and Rajashrinath. Let us take a glance back at the achievements of the Scouting Guides in 2025. With extreme pride and delight, we would like to mention here that from our governor of Assam at the Raj Bhavan shortly. The awardees are Virag Agarwal, Nishant Mittal, Anubhav Kalita, Bishan Burman. Our school started the NCC unit in the academic year 2024-25 under the 7th Assam Battalion Dubu. At present, our school has a total of 95 NCC cadets guided by one cadet officer. The NCC unit works under the guidance of Commanding Officer Arun Prakash Agarwal. Our cadets actively participated in 3 CPC camps of 4 months each, held at dhaligaon, and Dubu respectively. Through NCC activities and camps, students learn discipline, leadership, teamwork, and a strong sense of responsibility towards the organization.
Thank you, sir.
All houses, stand again. Last but not least, it is my beautiful Chaudhary from class 9 who played the under 17 boys and won gold in 4 into 100 meter relay race, a bronze in 100 meter and another bronze in 200 meter. He also participated in the Physical Education Foundation of India Games and won bronze in 100 meter by participating in All India Athlete Meet 2025, which was organized by PEFI Games. Taking a glance back in the session 2024-25, he won the gold medal in 100 meter in CBSE Inter-School National Athlete Meet 2024 and also participated in SGFI, which can be also referred to as the School Games Federation.
From one athlete to another, it serves as a profound reminder of ethical
Pooja is a discipline turned into sweat turned into purpose, and fatigue turned into fuel. When legs shake and visions blur, Pooja stands firm, reminding the athlete why they started. It is not born from talent, it is forced daily through effort, sacrifice, and belief. In endurance, Pooja is what carries you beyond your limits. When records break, character is built, and warriors are born. It is not violence and both teams are playing at a full strength.
These are the lead.
And Team B has
Once again, all the best parents.
बिसोरबो थाजोबबा गोगोम नुगौमोन थाङालासिनो थाजोबबा
and the second round has begun.